Yes, good morning students. Welcome to Toppers IIT and JEE NEET Foundation program. Today we are going to solve the problems of topic probability of class 8th. Okay. Yes, let us begin with first problem. Yes, if E is an event, then which of the following option is correct? 0 is less than, P of E is less than 1. Option B, 0 is less than or equal to P of E is less than 1. Third option, 0 is less than or equal to P of E is less than or equal to 1. Fourth option, 0 is less than P of E is less than or equal to 1. Okay, here E is any event, then P of E can be read as probability of event. Okay, if you take any event, probability of event must varies from 0 to 1, means the minimum value of probability of any event is 0 and the maximum value of probability of any event is 1. So, option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. If in an experiment the sum of probabilities of different events is, yes, the sum of probability of different events always equal to 1. So, option A is the correct answer. Next question. Probability of an event can be, here probability of any event must varies from 0 to 1, means it cannot be negative and it cannot be more than 1. So, option A is wrong. Option B, if you take 11 by 9, the value of 11 by 9 approximately equal to more than 1. So, that is also wrong. 1.001, that is also exceeding the value 1. So, that is also wrong. 0.6, yes, it is lying between 0 and 6. So, option D is the correct answer. Next question. Which one cannot be probability of any event? Yeah, just as I said, probability of any event must not be negative, must not be more than 2. Yes, 2 by 3, option A, 2 by 3, the value of 2 by 3 approximately equal to 0.666, means 0.67 we can consider. Option B, minus 1 by 2, that means that is negative. So, option B is wrong. Option A, which cannot be, yes. 3 by 5 means 0.6, 1 by 6 means almost 0. It lies between 0 and 1. So, option B cannot be a probability of any event. So, why? Because this is negative. So, option B is the correct answer. Next question. What is the probability of choosing a vowel from the English alphabets? There are 26 English alphabets are there. Out of these 26, A, comma, E, comma, I, comma, O and U. These are the vowels. So, number of vowels is equal to 5. And the total number of English alphabets is equal to 26. Then probability of choosing a vowel from English alphabet, probability of any event is equal to sum of number of favorable outcomes to the event by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, here probability of choosing a vowel means here 5 vowels are there. Yes, these 5 are favorable to event. Then total number of outcomes 26. Therefore, probability of required event is suppose P of E, then P of E will becomes 5 by 26. Then option B is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is the sample space when 2 coins are tossed? Suppose if If two coins are tossed, then what are the possible outcomes? Okay, then suppose first coin may be tail, second coin also may give the tail. There is a one of the possibility. First coin may be tail, second coin may be head. First coin may be head, second coin it may be tail. First coin and second both may be head. Now these are possible outcomes whenever if you toss a two coins at a time. Then sample space can be written as TT comma TH comma HT comma HH. Then from the given options, which is the correct one? First option is wrong, second option is wrong, third option HH, HT, TH, TT. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Next question. Next single correct answer type questions. Is a dice is thrown once, a number is noted, then the probability that is a prime number is dash. Okay, suppose if a dice is thrown once, then what are the possible outcomes? It gives the counts on the top of the dice is maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6. So there are totally 6 possible outcomes. In these 6 possible outcomes, what are the prime numbers? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 5 is a prime number. These 3 are the prime numbers. Then, yes, what is the answer? Probability of getting a number which is prime. Okay, suppose P of E represents the probability of a number which is prime is equal number of favorable outcomes to the event. Therefore, there are 3 favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes 6. 3 by 6. 3 by 6 means 3 1s are 3 2s are. Okay, 1 by 2 is the correct answer, or 3 by 6. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Out of 35 students participating in a debate, 10 are girls. The probability that winner is a boy is dash. Total number of students is equal to 35. Out of this 35, number of girls 10. Then number of boys is equal total number of students minus number of girls participated, and 35 minus 10 is equal to 25. Then the probability of that winner is a boy is, okay, let the P of E be the probability that winner is a boy is. Here means this from these 25 boys anyone can win, means these 25 are favorable outcomes and total number of outcomes 35, means number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes means 25 by 35. Then here 5 is the common factor for both numerator denominator, 5 5s are 25 and 5 7s are 35. 5 by 7 is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. In a cricket match, a batsman hits a sixer 8 times out of 32 balls played. The probability that a sixer is not hit in a ball is, right, total number of balls, 32 balls. In a cricket match, a batsman hits a 6 or 8 times out of 32 balls. Yes, that means total number of attempts is equal to, or total number of balls, both will give the same meaning here. Total number of balls 32. Out of this 32, 8 times. Okay, here on the score 6. Next, the probability that a sixer is not hit in a ball means out of 32, 8 are over, remaining are what? 32 minus 8 means what? In these 24 balls, he didn't even score even one time also 6. Therefore, the probability, let P of E be the probability that a sixer is not hit in a ball means P of E is equal to number of favorable outcomes means this 24 by total number means outcomes 32. 24 by 32. Let us take 8 as a common factor. 8 3s are 8 4s are 3 by 4. 3 by 4 can be written as 0.75. So option A is the correct answer. Next question. A coin is tossed 25 times and data is recorded as head is 15, tail is 10. Then the probability of not getting a head. Not getting a head means what? It may be tail. Therefore, number of tails is the favorable outcomes to the event. Therefore, let us take P of E be the probability of not getting head. Not getting means what? Indirect, that means tails. The number of tails, how many tails are there? 10. Then 10 by total number of outcomes 25. 10 by 25. 10 by 25 means let us take 5 as a common factor. 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. 2 by 5. 2 by 5 means first option. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Probability of getting an even number when a die is thrown once. If a die is thrown once, then what are the possible outcomes? The results may be count. Results here counts on the top of the die. May be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. These 6 are possible outcomes. Out of these 6, which are even numbers? 2 is even number, 4 is even number, 6 is even number. Let P of E be the probability of getting an even number. Means number of even numbers is 3 by total number of outcomes 6. 3 by 6 means that will be 1 by 2. So option C is the correct answer. Two coins are tossed simultaneously, then the probability of getting two heads. Suppose if you toss a two coins simultaneously, then what are the possible outcomes? HT, TH, TT and HH. There are 4 possible outcomes. Then what is asking? Two heads. Two heads means what? This is only one case. Out of 4 possible outcomes, only one case is the favorable outcome to the event. Therefore, probability of getting two heads is equal P of E, and this is equal to 1 by 4. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. A coin is tossed 40 times and it showed tail 24 times. the probability of getting a head was, okay, out of 40 times tail is showed 24 times, means remaining what? Remaining must be showed head, means what? 40 minus 24 is equal to 16. That means what? The coin showed 16 times head, then probability of getting head was, suppose if it is P of E, then number of favorable outcomes event means what? 16 by total number of outcomes means 40. 16 by 40. Let us take 8 as a common factor. 8 can divide 16 2 times, 45 times, and means 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is the answer. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. A bag contains 10 balls, out of which 4 balls are white and the others are non-white. The probability of getting a non-white ball is, here total number of balls are 10. Total number of balls is equal 10. Out of 10, number of white balls, number of balls in color white is equal to 4. Then number of non-white colored balls or non-white balls is equal to 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Then question is what? The probability of getting a non-white balls means what? The 6 are the favorable outcomes event. Total number of outcomes are 10. Then if P of E is the probability of getting a non-white ball, then answer is 6 by 10. 6 by 10. You can use second table. 2 3s are 2 5s are 3 by 5 is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The probability of happening an event is 37%. Then the probability of the event is 37% can be written as 37 by 100. 37 by 100 means 0.37. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, thank you students. Let us meet in the next class.